Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Made in China app. If we go to settings, in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, we go to the application of Made in China, as you see, and we click. You'll find it like this. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.